Here is my review for the Hisense fridge freezer model number RB335N4WG1. It has an A+ rating, a total no frost action, never need to defrost it, and it comes with a 2-year warranty. The fridge door has a built-in water dispenser with a child safety lock. I'll just unlock that. Easy to use. Lock it, nothing. Inside, a bottle rack, plenty of shelving, big enough for all size families, I would say. I really like this idea. This is the water tank hidden underneath one of the shelves. Doesn't take up any room at all. Comes with egg trays. Controls, quite easy to use. Easy to switch from through. There is a fast freeze program where you hold that. Fast freeze, super freeze comes on for 26 hours and it'll freeze your foods really fast, trapping all the freshness. If you don't want it for 26 hours, you just revert back. Same with the fridge. Temperatures are easy to change. Really, really good. Nice and light. Fridge freezer has an easy access tray for ice cubes and anything that you want to get at quick. Ice creams and things. The ice cube tray did come with there, the fridge freezer. Drawers are enormous. Enough room for a large family. The doors can be reversed quite easily. All in all, I think this is a really good product and worth the money. I'd like to say thank you to AO.com for their help in receiving this fridge freezer. Thank you very much.